adjacent angles is two angles that lie in the same plane, have a common vertex and a common side, but no common interior points. This figure shows adjacent angles, and the adjacent angles are angle ABD and angle DBC. The next term is vertical angles, and the definition of that is two non-adjacent angles formed by two intersecting lines. And you can see here that angle AED and angle BEC are vertical angles, and DEC and AEB are vertical angles. And then next one is a linear pair, a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays, and it's just a 180 degree line that has two angles on it, and together they equal 180. Next one is complementary angles. That definition of that is two angles whose measures have a sum of 90 degrees, and the whole thing, 1 and 2 is 90 degrees, and angle 1 and angle 2 equal 90 degrees. So therefore they're complementary. The next one, supplementary angles. There's two angles whose measures have a sum of 180 degrees, and the whole line is 180 degrees, and then the angle 1 and angle 2 add up to be 180. Next one is perpendicular lines, and the definition of that is two lines that intersect to form right angles, and all four of these angles right here are all 90 degrees. And then here's just some questions that you can do just to see if you know them. First one is name a pair of vertical angles in the figure above, and then name a pair of obtuse angles in the figure above, and what two angles are supplementary. And this is how to find the measure of an angle. Okay, so say find the measure of two complementary angles if the difference in the measures of the two angles is 12. Let the measure of one angle be x. If the measure of angle A equals x, then because angle A and angle B are complementary, then measure of angle B plus x equals 90. So then those are the steps below that.